Well, hello all you fine people out there in YouTube land. This here is the newest addition to my collection. This is the Lionel Santa's Flyer freight set. And as you can see, it comes with the little 080 switch locomotive with tender. The locomotive features illuminating headlight, puffing smoke unit, die-cast construction for the actual locomotive itself. The tender is plastic. There is a rear headlight on the tender. That right there. But it does not work. It does not have the full train sounds or rail sounds, but as you saw in the opening of the video, it does have the characteristic Lionel air whistle. This set, it also comes with the standard CW80 transformer and a 40 by 60 inch oval of Lionel Fast Track. But as you can tell, I'm not running it on the Fast Track. I'm running it on the 027 track that I have because it is much quieter than that Fast Track. And it looks better under the tree. Moving on, the set also comes with a boxcar. Standard Lionel 40-foot boxcar. It's decorated up. It has Santa's sleigh right here, Santa's flyer, let the magic of Christmas fill the season. And the really cool thing about this particular boxcar is the fact that if I could open the door, you would see there's a battery in there. There's a 9-volt battery, and the reason there's a 9-volt battery in it is because of the fact that when I lift the car up, you can see little holes right here and here and here, and an on and off switch right there. Now, when I hit that on and off switch, let me get it back on the track real quick. When I hit that on and off switch, there's there's between 10 and a dozen different Christmas songs on it, and it's really cool. It just doesn't have a volume control. Next is the tank car, little Lionel 3-dome tank car, decorated up for the Lionelville Peppermint Company. This is my wife's favorite car out of the whole collection, but then again, she is addicted to peppermint. Nothing really special about this car aside from the paint job. It's just like pretty much every other Lionel 3-dome tank car out there. And then finally, we have Le Caboose, standard little Lionel 027 offset cupola caboose, plastic construction, has the interior illumination, but nothing really special about it. Something that I failed to mention, as with all other Lionel train sets, this set does have the automatic couplers. Now, this set is really cool. It can be easily found for $250, brand new. This is, as you can tell, it's not a actual collector's set. Well, it could be a collector's set. It depends on what you like to collect. but this was made mostly for the holiday market. The people that buy trains so they can display them once a year. I do know several Lionel collectors though that have bought them for their collections. My wife picked this up last year, and it's been sitting in a box ever since, simply because I haven't had a Christmas tree to run it under until this year, and this is the first year it's been out of the box and running around. So with that said, I'm gonna stop the train real quick and fire up the Boxcar and let you guys get some more footage of it running around.